What is walkthrough in software testing? The walkthrough is a mechanism or a technique which we normally use to review the documents or review the test deliverables. Normally, walkthrough will be used to review your test strategy, test plan, test scenarios, test cases, along with the other stakeholders just to get the right feedback before we are going to execute those test deliverables. This will be done more often by doing informal group or in a formal group with your peers, managers or fellow team members. By grouping all the people or in individual, we'll review the document. That kind of techniques we call it as a walkthrough in software testing. Normally, the walkthrough is a static method of a quality assurance. This is a static method. Whenever someone develops, let's say, test plan, test strategy. So this will be get reviewed or walked through with the project manager, test manager, product owner, product management. When we are walking through that document with them, they will also review the things and they will provide the feedback. So hence we call this as a static method of a quality assurance where everybody gives the feedback to your document. When we are doing a test plan review meeting or when we are doing a test strategy review meeting, normally we will set up a formal meeting. We will be putting a formal meeting with a right agenda to review the document and provide the right feedback for your document. As part of that, we'll also be defining the scope of that meeting and also we'll be defining what kind of walkthrough will happen, what kind of documents we will be walking through to all the stakeholders and what kind of things they should review. As part of that meeting also, we should clearly call that out. As part of the walkthrough, one is we can update the document in the meeting itself and also there is also using this method there will be a common consensus will be built up as part of this walkthrough process. And also as part of the walkthrough process, lot of new ideas, lot of new thought processes, lot of test ideas will come as part of your test deliverable walkthrough meetings. This is all about walkthrough in software testing.